How do tax law changes affect ITIN holder obligations? Imagine trying to keep up with a moving target. That's what it can feel like for ITIN holders when new tax laws come into play. Changes in tax laws can shift what you need to do to stay compliant and get the benefits you deserve. If you or your family relying on an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, understanding these updates is key. First, let's talk about filing requirements. If you earn income from U.S. sources or want to claim certain credits, you still need to file a federal tax return. Even if your income is low or zero, you might need to file to claim credits like the child tax credit or education credits. But if you have no U.S. income and don't claim credits, sometimes you don't have to file. Still, there are exceptions, like reporting foreign financial accounts or meeting other IRS rules. Now, recent tax law changes have made some big differences for ITIN holders. For example, starting in 2025, to qualify for the child tax credit, both the taxpayer and the dependent must have valid Social Security numbers. If dependents only have ITINs, they will no longer qualify for this credit. That means many immigrant families might see a reduction in their tax benefits. Another change is the removal of personal exemptions. This means claiming a dependent no longer provides a tax benefit. So, if you list dependents with ITINs, it might not lower your taxes anymore. For older ITIN holders, a new senior deduction of $6,000 is available if they have a Social Security number. But ITIN holders over 65 cannot access this deduction. The IRS has also updated how you apply and renew your ITIN. You now need to submit Form W-7 along with a valid federal tax return or meet specific exceptions. ITINs expire if they are not used for 3 consecutive years, so renewal is necessary to keep your filing options open. Staying current with these rules helps avoid delays or penalties when you file. For Asian American immigrant families, these changes mean paying close attention to your dependents' Social Security numbers if you want to claim certain credits. It's also important to know that some benefits are no longer available to ITIN holders, which can affect your tax planning. Renewing your ITIN on time ensures you stay compliant and avoid unnecessary trouble. In short, when tax laws change, ITIN holders need to adapt their filing habits and understand what benefits they can or cannot claim. Staying informed helps you meet your obligations and make smarter financial decisions for your family.